How do you prevent a business owner from buying their own ATM and instead let you put your ATM in there? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Why would people want to start an ATM business? Plenty of reasons. Folks want to get out of their 9-to-5 jobs. Folks want to save more for retirement. Folks just want to get a better return on their money. People will just want to make their money work for them instead of always working for their money. So many reasons. It's just basically each person's preference and why they want to start their business. You know what I mean? Why would somebody come to me to help start their ATM business? Basically, save them time, money, and headaches. Simple as that. So if you would like to learn more about how I can help you start your ATM business and guide you through that process, or if you'd like to just learn a little bit more about the ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Again, that's atmtrainingvideo.com. Okay, so you might be thinking to yourself, why would a business owner let me put my ATM in their business? Why wouldn't they just go buy their own ATM? Right? Pretty logical question, I think. And here's the thing. If a business owner wants to go buy their own ATM, obviously you can't prevent them from doing that. You know what I mean? You're not going to prevent them from doing that. But here's the big thing I want you to realize. Most business owners don't want to go buy their own ATM. They really don't want to deal with it. They want you to deal with it. Right? So it's not as big of an issue as your mind may want you to believe it is. Okay? Because let's say you're talking about, let's say, a pizza shop, for instance. The pizza shop owner just wants to make pizzas and sell pizzas, right? They don't want to deal with an ATM. They don't want to deal with the cash in the ATM. They don't want to deal with the hassles with the customers if they have any problems. They don't want to deal with any of that. They want you to deal with that. And they are going to handle making the pizzas and selling pizzas and sodas and pastas and whatever else they sell. You know what I'm saying? And satisfying their customers that way. They want you to handle the ATM side of it. Okay? So basically, I don't want you to get, so sidetracked thinking, oh my God, why would they pick me instead of, getting a machine themselves? Chances are, most of them are not going to go get a machine themselves. Okay? So they'd rather you handle everything. So just get that out of your mind and go out there and have conversations with business owners. Okay? Are there going to be some that say, you know what? Screw you, I'm going to go get my own machine? Of course. Of course. Very, very few and far between. I promise. I've been doing this since 2009, and I think I've only had one business owner ever tell me that they're going to go buy their machine. But that was after I took my, ATM out of their location. You know what I mean? It's just one business owner. So it's not as prevalent as you would think. Right now, I've sold some machines to business owners lately, more recently, and that's because I was moving. Like I completely moved to a different state. I moved to the beach, and there were some machines that just didn't warrant me taking care of them anymore. So I sold the machines to the business owner, and I showed them how to work it and operate it. Right? But again, few and far between. Most business owners just want you to take care of them, take care of the ATM, take care of giving them profit sharing if you're going to do that, whatever. But they want you to deal with the ATM so they can run their business. Hopefully that makes sense. If you got any questions, post them below. Don't forget to click that little ATM icon right there and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, right? Don't forget to like it. And comment, definitely comment below if you have any questions or if you have an idea for a future video. And then who knows, maybe I'll be making a video answering your question one day. All right, again, go to atmtrainingvideo.com if you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business. You got to have at least $6,000 for startup costs, guys. So I have at least $6,000 for startup costs, minimum. Now, yeah, just minimum have at least $6,000. Okay. I was going to get into the whole mobile side of thing, which would cost more, but don't even worry about it. Go to atmtrainingvideo.com. You'll learn all about it once you enter your email. And then on the next page, there's about a 27, 28 minute long video which explains the ATM business in great detail and what I was just getting ready to tell you about. But I'm not going to tell you about it. You got to watch it on the video. All right. ATMtrainingvideo.com. Carey Buck here. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.